Hey there! If you've got a shipping container on your property, whether for storage, business, or personal use, you're probably wondering how to keep it in tip-top shape for the long haul. Don't worry, it's all about simple, regular maintenance, and trust me, it's easier than you think. First off, let's talk elevation. One of the most important things you can do is keep your container off the ground. Why? Storing it directly on the ground can trap moisture underneath, leading to corrosion over time. That's definitely something you want to avoid. By using wooden blocks, concrete pads, or even gravel, you can elevate your container just enough to allow for proper airflow. This simple step can help prevent rust from forming on the bottom and prolong the life of your container. Next, don't forget the roof. Containers are built tough, but over time, debris like leaves and dirt can gather up there. Plus, stagnant water can pool, which speeds up the rusting process. To avoid that, give your container's roof a quick brush off every few months. And for extra protection, consider applying a rust-proof coating or sealant. This small task can save you from costly repairs down the line. Lastly, let's not overlook the doors. Hinges, locking bars, and seals can all get stiff over time, especially if the container is exposed to the elements. A quick fix? Regularly lubricate these parts with a little oil. It helps keep everything moving smoothly and prevents any frustrating struggles when you need to open or close the doors. At On-Site Storage Solutions, we don't just sell and rent shipping containers, we're here to make sure you get the most out of them. With over 20 years in the business, we've learned a thing or two about keeping containers in prime condition. So whether you need maintenance tips, advice on buying or renting, or anything in between, we've got you covered. Stay tuned for more helpful tips to keep your shipping container lasting for years to come. Thanks for watching.